12. This one is interesting. You can build it, change it, and build it again. Yup, that's Peter. Break first, fix later, smile the whole time. That robot is very popular this year, especially for boys around 8 or 9. Is it strong? My son isn't. My son isn't. Very gentle with his toys. Then this one is perfect. It's made for kids who like to explore. That sounds like him exactly. Always curious. Always asking questions. Okay, worth it. I'll take it. Please.
Look closely at this robot!
Is that really it? We should move now before she sees us. Quick, hide this. A toy robot? What are you doing? She seems distracted by the lights. We should approach from the left.
All right, but keep an eye out for security.
You see her? Yeah, alone. Shopping late.
Last day of the year, and kids' gifts. We just watch, for now.
This is beautiful. Anna will love this. She likes quiet things. Things you can keep close.
It's hand-painted. Each one is a little different.
That makes it even better. She doesn't like things that look too perfect.
Then this one is meant for her.
Oh no, Zed. Yes, I think you're right. I think she'll really love this.
It is a special gift.
Merry Christmas.
Another bag!
She's careful, but she's busy.
People always are on days like this. That's her, the one in the red coat. Don't lose sight of her near the tree.
David says he doesn't need anything. But he always says that. Quiet nights. Music without waking anyone up.
That model is very comfortable. A lot of people buy it as a New Year gift.
That sounds right. He works hard. He deserves something.
Simple. Simple. It's one of our best sellers this year. Ukulele.
Okay, I'll take this one too. She's heading towards the exit. Don't lose her in the crowd.
Dark blue bag. Got it.
Finally. 5 quiet minutes. I miss this. Hey! Hi, everyone!
Mom, where are you?
Hey, Lizzie, it looks busy.
I'm at the mall. I just stopped to eat something warm.
Shopping marathon again?
A short one this time. I'm almost done, I promise.
What are you eating?
What you eating?
Noodles. Hot soup. Perfect for today.
Now I'm hungry.
See what you started?
I'll cook when I get home. Something even better.
Mom, Mom, you're coming back tonight, right?
Yes. I'll take the express train tonight. It's faster. I'll be home before midnight.
Good. We'll wait for you.
Did you get our gifts? Maybe. Mom, okay. Yes!
I found something special for all of you. Yeah.
Is mine cool? Maybe. Mom!
Very cool. But you have to wait.
Mom?
Okay. Yes.
10 minutes to the station. Okay. Almost home.
There she is, by the red stall. Don't lose her in the crowd.
Got it. Let's move.